Hey everybody, today we are going to go through some stretches that are really good to do at the start of the day, right? When you're waking up, when you're getting out of bed, and before you do any activities. It's good to get your body loosened up and warmed up. So I'm going to take you through a series that kind of starts laying down, progresses to seated, and then progresses to standing. So you're going from low intensity to higher intensity, waking you up and getting you ready for the day. So we're going to start on the floor. And you can imagine maybe you're even still in bed when you do this one. And we're going to start with a lying twist. So you're going to take your knee up and over and rotate all the way to one side and open your hand out and twist your head to look over that shoulder. So really nice big twist all the way down through the back, opening up the chest and opening up the spine. So you want to obviously do that on both sides. And we won't take too long, 10-20 seconds per stretch is a really good way to just get loosened up and get started. Okay, so you've gone from laying, you can now come to sit at the edge of your bed and come up to seated. What we want to do is just tip our head to the side. You can reach one arm down, use your other hand to just gently put a little bit of pressure on the head, opening up down through the side of the neck, repeating that on both sides. And then tipping your chin down to your chest. From here, we're just going to take our arms up overhead and do a nice big reach and a little bit of a side bend. Open up down through the sides. We're going to take one leg out straight and reach our hands down towards our toes. So a nice hamstring stretch here. Obviously, you want to do both sides. And you'll often find one side is tighter than the other. That's okay, that's normal. The next thing we're going to do is hop down onto the floor, onto our hands and knees, and we're going to do a cat camel. So we're going to round the back and then arch the back. So this is a really great mobility exercise for the thoracic spine. So that's kind of your middle of your back. Nice way to wake up the spine and get ready for your day. So now we're ready to stand all the way up, and we're going to do a bit of a dynamic stretch now. We're going to bend and touch our toes and then reach up overhead. So we're starting to get the blood flowing now. We're getting our heart rate up. We're starting to wake up our whole body. Okay, one last reach overhead, and then we're going to go into a twist. So elbows out, and just use those elbows to twist you around, twisting the torso. Should feel really nice on your spine, down your sides. And the last one we'll do, and it's good to hold on to something for this one, slide this out of my way, leg swing. So you're just going to take one leg and swing it all the way forwards and backwards, and it really helps to open up through the hips, loosen up your hip flexors, your hamstrings, a little bit into your glutes. Obviously you want to hit both sides. And pretty quickly, you have got all your major joints, all your major muscles nice and warm and awake, and you're ready to start your day.